What's going on, guys? We're back at it with another one, and today we have a special video for you. These clips were taken back in 2015 where my buddy John Kisman and I were in the jungles of Guyana, South America. A very little known country that maybe some of you heard about. I'm sure most of you have not. Guyana is a very little known, unexplored, pristine jungle that has rarely ever been touched. Not many people go there, but it has some of the most amazing rainforests that the world has to offer. I highly suggest if you ever get a chance to go down to Guyana, go down there, make sure you bring some fishing gear, because I promise you, you'll encounter some true river monsters in the many waterways of Guyana, the land of many waters. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my fishing channel. If you'd like to see me go back to Guyana or other countries in the Amazon, elsewhere around the world fishing for river monsters and other giant fish, then please make sure you like the videos, you subscribe to my fishing channel, leave some love, leave me some comments, and I'll get to bring adventures just like the one you're about to see right into your living room. Now let's get to the video. Guyana. Have you ever heard of it? Some people have, many people have not. There are over 7,000 species of plants and animals that inhabit the rainforest of Guyana. This video concentrates on the river monsters that lurk beneath the water's surface. Less than 1% of Guyana's jungles have ever been explored or discovered, leaving plenty of opportunity for adventurers and explorers to discover new places and new species. Welcome to the Amazon of Guyana, the land of many waters, the lost tapes. Every morning started up with a wake-up call just like this. These are power monkeys. I couldn't imagine what explorers thought back in the day traveling through the Amazon jungle. They probably thought there was dinosaurs out in the jungle coming for them. Make sure you turn your volume up and listen to the amazing sounds of the Guyanese jungle. This is where we camped out during our adventure into Guyana. Every morning started off by packing up the boats full of our fishing gear, food and water, and other equipment, including survival equipment, in case things went wrong. We would sometimes traverse hours and hours on end to find secret hidden locations that the river monsters live in. Areas that have never been touched by mankind. Do monsters still exist? You'll find out very soon. This here is an oxbow lake. We would cast our baits in and sit extremely quiet and patiently waiting for the bite of the almighty Arapaima. Any sound, any vibration could alert the fish to our presence, would scare off these fish, and the whole spot will be spoiled and we would have to move on. So we had to sit extremely quiet and patient and wait for the bite. And when the bite occurs, all hell breaks loose. And you better hold on for an Amazonian sleigh ride. Check out this video. The Arapaima is a prehistoric, air-breathing fish that needs to come up to the surface to go bare. It's one of the largest freshwater species in the world, reaching lengths up to 15 feet long and weights up 500 pounds. Arapaima is a native Amazonian fish, residing in countries like Guyana, Brazil, and Peru. It has even been seen in Bolivia and even Florida. Arapaima are primarily found in flooded forests where they reproduce during the wet season, and then they relocate themselves to oxbow lakes like the one I'm fishing here during the dry season. The dry season is by far the best time to target Arapaima, as they are isolated to deep pools of water and offshoots of the river like this oxbow lake. Arapaima is a heavily sought after fish by the commercial industry. They have extreme food value in the markets in the Amazon. The population was almost decimated by overfishing. Conservation efforts and research on the Arapaima populations have increased, and the Arapaima seem to be making a strong comeback. Now sit back and enjoy the rest of this clip.
Boy, I gotta videotape this.
Upon taking a picture with this beast of an Arapaima, as I went to lift it out of the water, the Arapaima bashed me in the side of the head with my temple with its armor-plated head that's as hard as a steel baseball bat. To my disbelief, I was perfectly fine with only a little red mark and a pretty bad headache. Unfortunately, John's arm got in the way of what happened. And here's the slow-mo clip of it happening again.
Alright. You good? That's a true river monster, dude.
Thank you so much. Now on to day 2, in search of the Piraiba. We travel hours upriver to a spot that I dub Piraiba Alley, and for good reason. Just wait until you see these river monsters.
Camera. It's 40. Got him.
Welcome to Piraiba Alley.
We got a double header Piraiba on here. 2 jumbos.
Yes, you heard John right. A double header Piraiba, 2 giants at the same time. I firmly believe this has never ever happened in the history of the Amazon, or will ever happen ever again.
Dude, I can't move this thing. I'm at an absolute stalemate. It's like I'm hooked into a Honda Civic. This is a fucking jumbo too, dude. Can we keep, is there any way to get this engine up, or is it better off keeping it down? Would we be better off pulling this up so I don't flip it? Just because he's kind of playing this game.
Go by the bow.
Go by the bow? Okay. Nah, I can't believe you, dude. We have 2 freaking monster catfish. Mine's coming up. Bubbles. Oh my God. big? That was monster, dude. We're good, Eric. Come to the bath. I can't believe this, dude. How should we go about this, Mo? Mine's coming up again. This guy's probably not even close to done. What's the typical time you run with these? Forever? A year and a half? Eric, I'm gonna come around your side here. And I'm gonna walk in. Yeah, we're good. Yep. Are we just gonna start working the shore? This is ridiculous. I can't even move them. I got my drag on the looser end, so Jesus, man. What are the chances of this? I can't believe this. I just can't believe this. I can't believe this. I went to reel mine in. He's gonna come up when he wants to. There's no force in him. What rocks you talking about? Get both these fish to those rocks? This is unfreaking believable. Unbelievable. You're still stretched out too? There ain't no pictures being taken yet, Eric. That's for damn sure. You just gotta do this until he's ready. Get an inch, lose 3. Get an inch, lose 3. Mark, was that you that jumped in the water on that Piraiba? You're a nut. I watched that video a million times. And here we are fighting freaking Piraibas. Hang 3 inches and he takes it right back and gets more. I'm gonna go into the side here. Take the bow. Dude, I can't get the rod out of here. Keep it where it's at, the drag. No. My monkey here. Just gotta get him up. That's it. Comes up. I'm just gonna wanna fucking jump on this thing. We're gonna see mine in a second here, Mark. I got leader. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's a What do we do now? Rope? Mark? Oh my god. Please just stay here. Yep. How are we gonna go about this, Mark? How are we gonna go about this? Oh my god. Please. Need help, Mark? What do you want me to do? Just stay here? Okay. No. Oh, he's right here. He's tired though. My line's frayed. Okay, my line's frayed. Real bad. Come on, please, right. I don't know. He's probably fucking 100 years old. Mine's always right next to the car. Oh my god. Yep. You can't go nowhere? He's right here. Yep. You're crazy too, Mark. We're going in. Yep. You can't go nowhere, right? Wonder how. Oh my god. You're good. That's fine too. You're good, Eric. You got him. Look, you got him. Two of them. At the same time. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can chance it.
Take a slow ride.
I'm not really sure what happens next. Either Mark gunned the throttle by accident or something happened with the engine, but check out this clip.
Take one each.
Oh! Whoa! What's going on?
It's alright.
We just have to go there, right? We're close to our...
Now check out these pictures of these amazing fish. I give full credit to my friend John Kisman for capturing these clips on his GoPro. I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and my friends, always stay fishing, and we'll see you on the next one.